This is all about the Black Letter Law publication story. This began back in 2006. My name is Deborah Nwosu and I'm the founder of BLD and the publisher of the Black Letter Law publication. I'm also the chair of the Board of Trustees of the BLD Foundation. BLD, also known as Black Lawyers Directory, was founded back in 2006. The ethos was and remains highlighting and promoting diversity in law. So you may ask, what is the Black Letter Law publication about? It is a groundbreaking publication which was first published in 2006. It showcases the breadth of talent and the contribution of Black, Asian and other ethnic minorities in the legal profession. So, why Black Letter Law? Why this publication? I am a lawyer in two jurisdictions, namely England and Wales, and Nigeria too. I looked around me and there was nothing that visually showcases the shared breadth of talent and the contribution of Black, Asian and other ethnic minorities in the legal profession. There was nothing to show young people that many people, not just a select few, who look just like them, are making it in the legal profession. The aim is therefore to provide an easily accessible resources for them, as well as the buyers of legal services and those firms who are keen about diversity. So back in 2006, I approached the then legal director of the now defunct Commission for Racial Equality, the CRE, Anthony Robinson, who supported my vision for the publication. It was a real labour of love as there was no record available, and the first publication, a groundbreaking 22-page booklet and a UK first, was launched at the Magic Circle law firm Clifford Chance back then in October 2006 to mark the Black History Month. The Director of Liberty, Shami Chakrabarti, was our keynote speaker, and Dr. Robert Kesey was also interviewed by Peter Herbert, the chair of the Society of Black Lawyers, at the event. By the following year, in 2007, the publication was fully funded through sponsorship and advertising and had grown into 164 pages with 11 sections. It was again launched at Clifford Chance in October, and our keynote speaker was the Honourable Mrs. Justice Dobbs, the first ever ethnic minority High Court judge. The 2008 and 2009 editions, also launched in October of those years, have grown considerably in size and were launched at the Magic Circle law firm, Allen & Overy. In 2008, Sarah Rabinder Singh, now a High Court judge and the second ever ethnic minority to be so appointed, was our keynote speaker. In 2009, the first ever Black and female Attorney General in 700 years history of that post gave the keynote speech. The longest serving judge in Wales, District Judge Ray Singh, was interviewed at the event by Sailesh Mehta, and Trevor James, the London managing partner of Morrison & Foster, was a speaker too. I remember very clearly Baroness Scotland said that day. She said, the more visible diversity is in the legal profession, the more it safeguards the future legal profession that is rooted in excellence, rich in diversity and proudly served. The 2010 edition, sponsored by the Law Society, was launched at Freshfields, and Courtney Griffiths QC, in the throes of the blood diamond trial, that is the trial of the former President Taylor for war crimes, took a break and gave the keynote speech at the launch. He was then followed by an array of speakers that included Anesta Weeks QC and the former Deputy General Counsel of the IMF, Thomas Laye. By 2011, Black Letter Law was a whopping 340-page publication. It went digital too, with a downloadable PDF in addition to the printed edition. It was launched at the Law Society in October 2011. Our keynote speaker was Trevor Ford, the global leader at Ernst & Young, then the Global General Counsel. Additionally, Imran Khan, lawyer to the Stephen Lawrence family, Magdalene Bayim Adomako, London head of banking and international law firm, White & Case, and Segun Osuntokun, partner at international law firm Berwin Leighton Paisner, were guest speakers too. The 2012 edition is out in October 2012, and this will be online, digital and print, with regular online features, as well as facilities for those profiles to update their status. Black Letter Law remains a very unique publication with multiple sections that is read globally.